Hello there and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to get traffic to your website for free on autopilot using the Leads Leap platform. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to get traffic to your website on autopilot, go ahead and click the link in the description and create your free account. As a free member, you will get access to a free list management system. You can use this to build your list, create autoresponder, send broadcasts, and even track your email open rates. You will also be able to advertise your websites for free, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You will be able to get free SEO traffic by writing reviews, free link tracker, you can track your links, and free opt-in form as well. So let's go ahead and log into my back office here. The first thing you want to do in order to start advertising your websites for free is you have to set up your ads. And the way you do that is you go to Advertise and then you go to Post Credit Ads here. That's a free version. So what you want to do is you want to click this to add new ad and literally just fill out the form as you go along. Put the URL, the title, add text. So what you're doing is you're creating an ad that looks like this here, right? And you can create however many ads it will let you create. I don't remember as a free member. Once you've set up your ads, the next thing you want to do is you want to view other ads, right? So you just click an ad here, and for every ad that you view, you get views back to your free sites. So it will take you time to get views to your website because you have to view other websites in return, right? And as you view your websites, it's all updated here at the bottom. You can earn an income this way as well. And so if you have the time to go surfing other sites in exchange for views to your site, you can go ahead and click the link in the description, create your free account, set up your ads, and start viewing ads. And that's a free way. The other thing that you can do is you can actually go and write reviews here. So you write a review, you review the project, the program that you're in, and as you review that, it will be you can get free traffic to that review. You put your links in that review as well, you know. So that's another free way, and like I said, the free ways will cost you tights to your website. But if you do that consistently on a daily basis, you will start to get. So go ahead and click the link in the description and create your free account. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic